the continuing living streaming made all people lose sleep. It's the sleeplessness bugbear's trick. The tiring holy battling team finally found the mechanical bugbear's lair. But them couldn't resist the bubble attack and into sleep. Fortunately, Zhao sent the position signal at the last moment.
Episode 7, The Power of Nature.
Holy battling team, if you copy, please respond.
Oh no, they've lost contact.
Got it.
Got it.
You have today too!
This is the end of you. Oh? What's that?
I went to the wrong place.
Huh?
Since you come to me, why not let them? Huh? Oh, where are they?
No, not me. No.
I missed a good chance.
Breakfast is here. You still sleeping?
Why you came so late?
You're fast. You don't get it too.
I am honored to save the holy battling team. I need a good rest.
Huh? The great man is me. If I hadn't drawn their attention, then you would have...
Shh. Be quiet. Let them sleep.
Stop running. Take my punch.
No screens, no live broadcast. Look at how well they can sleep.
Huh? There's fresh air and beautiful scenery. So good.
It sure is. We should really go out more and get close to nature. Huh? Oh.
Holy battling team, we meet again!
Brothers and sisters, have you missed us? You're disturbing my sleep again!
How dare you come here?
You ran away, so we have to find you.
Don't waste time with them! Brothers, start work!
Rhino protection!
Doctor Who, Miss Zhao, you go first and leave it to us.
Be careful.
Transform now!
Care for lives with sympathy and heart. Kind-hearted crystal armor.
Divine Warrior, power up!
Plants also have life. Don't hurt them.
And so what if I do it?
I hate the bully most. Summon Celestial Warriors. Warrior, power up!
look at my black missile!
Watch out!
Wanna attack me? Show you my wing cutting!
What's going on? Luckily, I'm a good pilot and held the black aircraft.
Useless!
Eh?
I still have to do it.
The mechanical bear's gotten stronger.
Call up the Holy Transformer! Summon Celestial Warriors! Sacred Tiger Warrior, power up!
Look at my sweet bubbles!
Be careful! Don't let the bubbles touch you! Take this cannon! Wow, the bubble is quite powerful! Holy Tiger Roaring Cannon!
Oh, be careful! Don't hurt the plum blossom!
Yes, my lady.
Don't be happy. I haven't done anything yet. Shut up! Huh? Oh!
What? Lim! Can you hear me? Lim!
Lim, what's going on? Aw, it's my fantasy bubble. Your buddies are having nightmares in it. Maybe they're fighting now. Everyone, don't get trapped!
Rhino Crystal Power Shield!
Zhang, be careful! Oh no!
Don't worry, it's your turn soon. Hey guys, do you like the broadcast? If so, remember to hit the like button. Never give up. I will rescue them. What? Even the missiles couldn't damage the bubble, but was pierced by the plum blossom. Great!
What just happened? Huh? Is everyone okay?
Oh no! Oh, the disgusting plum blossom ruined my plan! Stop! How could you show your anger at the poor plum blossom? Mystery bird crystal kissing! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Here's our chance! Holy Deer Catapult!
Miss Zhao, is she alright?
Don't worry, she's just sleepy.
Wow, such dark raccoon eyes!
Come on. It's over, but we must learn from it and sleep well in the future. Do you know?
So let's go back to have a good nap!
Ho 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 ho! Do you think that's over? Ha ha ha!
The overbearing bear is more powerful, even easily damaged the Rhino Crystal Power Shield by Fist. The battling team is in trouble. Zhang feels very sorry for it. Can Zhang find confidence? Can his Rhino Crystal Power Shield still protect them again? Let's watch the next episode to see the combination of the Holy Transformers.